Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the only way to truly perfect ranch chicken wings. First, let's get started with the preparation. You'll want to begin by taking about 2 pounds of chicken wings and patting them absolutely dry with paper towels. This is a super important step for achieving that amazing crispy skin. Next, toss those dried wings with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then season them generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. This sets the foundation for incredible flavor. Now for the star of the show, our homemade ranch seasoning. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of dried parsley with 1 tablespoon of dried dill. Then, add 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, and dried chives. Finish it off with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Give all these wonderful spices a good mix. This blend creates that authentic, tangy ranch flavor we're aiming for, making your wings truly irresistible. Next up, it's time to get these wings perfectly crispy in the oven. Preheat your oven to a hot 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your seasoned wings in a single layer on a wire rack placed over a baking sheet. This setup allows for even air circulation, ensuring maximum crispiness. Bake them for 25 minutes, then carefully flip each wing. Continue baking for another 20 to 25 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and incredibly crispy. Patience here pays off. Finally, for the grand finale, as soon as those wings come out of the oven, immediately transfer them to a large mixing bowl while they are still hot. This is key for the seasoning to adhere properly. Now, generously sprinkle your homemade ranch seasoning all over the wings. Toss them vigorously to ensure every single wing is perfectly coated with that incredible, tangy flavor. Serve your perfect ranch chicken wings warm, perhaps with a side of extra ranch or blue cheese dressing. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.